Production.
What up, Exro squad? Let's talk about Exro technologies for a little bit. So overall, this is looking solid. All we need is markets to cooperate on our side. So my only fear right now is that like interest rate fear, inflation fear, World War III fear, all this bullshit fear, FUD that's going on in the markets. My worry is that that's going to hold a lot of stocks back, right? Tech stocks do look like they're in decent shape, especially the semiconductor ones right now. So when we're looking at Exro, right, what we have that's working for us, right, I'll move this out of the way. It's a little crowded. We're in this zone, major zone. We'll zoom out to the weekly time frame, right? This is our major area right now. This was previous support, but this is the resistance zone that we're battling with. With the weekly 8 EMA, it's being held so far. That's a bullish sign. Now, when we zoom into the daily, we've broken out of this upward trend line that's been holding us back since the beginning of February. Broken up over it. What we could be looking for now, if we zoom in, is where we back test this trend line because we broke up over it, and then we work our way to continue battling to the upside. That could be going on right now, and it might take a few more days for that to play out, right? Again, overall, let's say we delete that. Another major trend that we need to pay attention to is this lower trend line here, right? This lower trend line has been our support for quite some time, right? From the lows, we've held it quite a few times. Now we've held it over here back in January. Maybe we need to work our way back into that area again, right? Again, right here is looking like a solid support right now as well. So we might need to run up into that trend line, break up above it for us to fully, realize what's going on in this pattern. And it's taken some time, which is fine. So we have the low, the high, the higher low, higher high. Right now is the period of time where it looks like we're developing this higher low to continue to the upside. Most importantly, right, this zone. Now, from a bearish perspective, because we don't want to just overlook everything that's going on right now, right, and just be blindly bullish. We want to pay attention to what could be potentially happening from a bearish perspective, right? We have this high, right? This is a small downtrend that's been going on, right? And we can't seem to make new highs. So for the bears to be correct here, we would have to break below this 240 support. And if so, that could bring us down into this next support below, which would be right around that 215, 220 range, right? So again, that's something we want to pay attention to. We don't want to just ignore that and be blindly bullish. That's for sure. So this zone, $2, would be a major zone to be gathering shares at if we do come back down into that area and you are trying to catch a trade that would bring us to the upside here. That's what we got for Exro Technologies here, guys. Peace.